Welcome to the Muxall Open IoT channel. I am your host, Michael Crane. Well, you're probably wondering what this setup is. This is actually the front panel to my Traeger barbecue. And this setup is so we can do some training videos on how to use the Muxall Pro BBQ Controller. Instead of having me sitting in front of the barbecue trying to do it out in the 100-degree heat, I figured this would work. So we're going to be making a series of videos using this setup on how to use the Muxall Pro BBQ Controller. Yes, this is a real controller, and it is really using external Wi-Fi, but it is running a special software load that has a simulator in it, and that way it gives us some numbers to look at instead of just zeros, right? Because that would be pretty boring. And this is a real Traeger front panel off of my grill. So to kind of show you what's behind it, if you're curious, this is what it looks like behind it. So I'm just plugged in. This is a real controller, but as you can see, it doesn't have the high voltage board plugged into it. It's being powered straight from the USB. And this is a prototype connector I put on one of the ESP32 modules that I decided I didn't want to use in production, but this will work good for what we're using it for these training modules, okay? So that's behind the scenes. Okay, so we're going to be going through the manual in this series of training videos, and we're basically just going to start just going down them. We'll do we'll start from the quick start, and we're just going to go through each one of these on how to do it. I'll probably group some of these into one video. I want the videos to be anywhere from a minute, no more than 5 minutes long. And we're not going to go through the installation. I've done several installation videos, but this is just on using the controller. So we're just going to go through the whole manual step by step and show you how to set it up, okay? Don't forget, you can support the Muxall Open IoT channel by donation using a credit card and PayPal, or by purchasing products at the Muxall store.